Hello everyone, my name is Tim, and welcome back to episode 2 of the ServiceNow Survival Guide. This episode, we will be discussing the Xplore tool that I had mentioned previously in a blog post. If you haven't read through it yet, feel free to pause the video, click the link, check it out. It'll give you an idea of what's to come. To start off, I do want to put a disclaimer that Fusion3 and I are not affiliated with Xplore. I also want to advise that you check with your organization to see if Xplore fits within their policies before installing it in that instance. So, what is Xplore? Xplore is a developer tool that simplifies and improves development activities such as debugging and exploratory programming. It was made by developers for developers to help alleviate stresses of certain aspects of the base system and ease the process of adding quick ways to get to what you need. Working with large amounts of text that don't fit well in other areas of ServiceNow? No biggie. Need to get a quick glide record query set up from the record you are on? Easy. Want to run a background script with code formatting options? Of course. Xplore makes all of that accessible to you. To get started, you'll need an instance. I will be using my personal developer instance for this demo. If you want a personal developer instance, check the links in the description on how to get your own. Once you have the instance you'll be using, you'll want to navigate to Xplore's website, exploretoolkit.com. If you want, you can check out their GitHub, as it has a good amount of information about the tool and what it can do. For the purposes of this video though, we're just going to click on download from share and then download. Once that finishes downloading, you're going to want to go over to your instance. Once you're in your instance and you have the file downloaded, you're going to want to go to retrieved update sets. Then import update set from XML. Then you're going to want to find your file and open it up and then click upload. Once that's done, you'll have the update set. You're going to want to click into there. Then click preview, close, then commit the update set. And then once that's done, it's finished. You'll know when it's finished because there will also be a little glasses icon up at the top. When you click on that, that'll take you to the Xplore webpage. Here is where you can do a lot of the functionality that Xplore offers, such as setting server-side, client-side script. You can even change your scope. So if you wanted to run a script in a specific scope, you are welcome to. From there, you can also see your output. We'll just do hello world really quick just to show you. Click run. And you can see here, we can see our output immediately. You can also see user data, build regex expressions, see table hierarchy for different tables, and even see your system's logs. And it keeps it all in one neat organized place. You can even use Xplore in the next experience. One of the better use cases for Xplore is to open up more information about a record. So right now I'm on the list view of incidents in my dev instance. I'm going to right click and then do open record in Xplore. This will generate a quick glide record query to get that object, which will contain the table and sysID. If I click run, you'll see that it returns back a list of all information for every field for that record. On the screen, I have loaded up an additional noteworthy item of Xplore. If you end up having something such as an infinite loop or long-running code while it's running, you have the ability to cancel it, and it will cancel it relatively quickly. We'll see that request failed, and you can check the system logs to see what happened a little bit further. That concludes this episode of ServiceNow Survival Guide. If you would like us to continue this topic, please leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.